recording. Okay, so what you want to do, Cole, is we've got our reference image here. Let me just pull that up. Front side, we've got a knockout, but on that goes down, but on the back side it goes up. So we can add the holes in there. So what we want to do, here you've got the front and you've got the knockout down on there. If we hide this, we have this knockdown here. That doesn't give us what we want because we want that to be going upwards. So let's do a couple things. So first we're going to get rid of this piece here. So what we'll do is we'll come in, we create a sketch 8. We'll just do a quick box. We don't need to be fancy. And then we're going to do just a simple extrude cut. That's gone. So now the top piece is the way we want it. Correct? Yes. Oh, no, we need to make the knockout on the top piece for the adder on the bottom piece. Okay, so we're going to pull this back. And that piece there was for the bottom. So it may be best. You know what? I've got a different way of doing this, I think. Let me just pull up the Braun maker on the other side of the screen so I can see it better. Okay, we're going to delete that. Yeah, so what we're going to do here, we'll go back to side 9, or we'll go back to this sketch. We'll delete this, this, and this. Or this may be what you did and it didn't allow you to do it. So we'll take a couple steps. We're going to go, we'll exit out of this. We'll go insert, feature. We're going to do a split. We'll use this trim tool. We're going to go select bodies. We're going to select this body. We're going to cut the bodies. What just happened there? Well, that was interesting. I'm not even sure what it just did there. That must be a new feature. Okay, let's try that again. So insert reference or insert feature, split body. We're going to go with the trim tool is this. I'm going to turn that off. We're going to select the bodies. We're going to select that one. and it's not wanting to do it. So that method, oh, is that why it doesn't want to do it? Give me a second here. Doesn't want to do it because it's not all the way through, I think. Yeah, because now you can see it cut the bodies. So we want this body here to be part of this. Okay, this is really interesting because it's not, those should be two separate bodies when we do this. Okay, we're going to take a different approach. Okay. So in the back, we'll cut this off. So this is going to be a really kludgy way to do stuff. But again, sometimes kludgy is what you need.
It gets the model done.
Yeah, exactly. Models don't always have to be pretty. And again, sometimes you got to sit there and say, what am I using this for? How good does it truly need to be? So we're going to go with a little hack and slash here. So there we got rid of that. We want to clean up the bottom piece here so that that opening is gone. So you can always, if you can, always use the sketch that's the same one. So we're going to come in there. We're going to do an extrude. We're going to use merge results, but we're going to extrude up to this inside surface so we get that shape. Now let's use the exact same sketch to extrude a cut. We'll nope. Flip the direction, and we're going to cut up to surface. So there we've got that all done. Now what we want to do is add that top part. So we're going to come back to our plane 9. We'll add this, we'll come in, we'll drop the sketch in. So we've got this here. Just to make sure that everything is going and is being attached, we'll draw it down into the bottom. Because sometimes if you try too much to match up the edge perfectly, you don't get there. So we'll come in, we'll do this exact same thing that we just did. We're going to go for an extrude. We'll go up to surface to get that inside. We want to merge the results. Now we're going to come in, again, exact same sketch, extrude cut, up to surface. So now we got that back part done. I don't know if I've got it high enough or not. We'll turn this back on. We'll hide this for now. We know that that knockout, again, so we're going to use the exact same sketch. And then we're going to do an extrude cut. This time we don't need to go up to a surface or anything because we want to cut all the way through. We want to make sure we select our bodies. Because if there's anything else that it's touching, it's going to want to cut that too. We got that, we got that, we got that. And then when we go and unhide that part, let's just add a color here. I just want to do that so I can see things clearly. Okay, so we've got that there. We've got that there. And then it looks like what you need to do on the front one of here is this drops down, but there will be a little cutout in this part where that button would get inserted into. Is that a little bit cleaner and clearer than what I did the first time?
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah. It's always good to get my thought processes. It's one of those things you got to get the junk out of your head and then do the more refined. Okay. Do you want to use this file as reference? I can send it to you as well as the recording.
Sure.
Okay. So let me stop recording here.